paint booth with the Iso Lele. Right in front of me, we've got the doors. You can see we're painting the gray primer, and we're painting the gray primer everywhere, not just under what will be finished surfaces as a further means of protecting against corrosion. Right now, you see the inside is being primed. There's your spare tire well. And as we move up inside the car, here we're laying the primer in here. And up here, you can see we have an initial coat on. It's been sanded. And we'll be laying on more primer to finish it.
That's coming next. He's in there mixing more.
And the final step will be priming the outside of the car, and then of course we will paint it. And that's when it turns really magically beautiful.
Yep.
But these again...
The first thing that will get painted in this after this sealer is in place is we'll paint the inside.
Yep,
and then the final blocking and final paint on the outside.
Yep, so this is more to come on this in the next few weeks.